the string reversal series. And before you start, I'd like you to set up your environment to have a HTML file and a JavaScript file. And in your HTML file, make sure you link it with your JavaScript file and call this method string reversal in a script tag. Now let's get started. First thing what I'd like to do is to create an input variable which is going to house our input string which we intend to reverse. I'm gonna say astronaut 123. Next, what I'm gonna do is create another variable called output, and I'm gonna equate this to an empty string because this is where I'm gonna store the reversed version of this input variable. Next, what I intend to do is to get the length of my input variable. So I'm gonna do this by length is equal to input dot length. That's it. That's going to grab the length of the input variable. Next, what I'm going to do is to loop through this variable from 3 to 1 TAU and so on and so forth until A. So how I'm going to achieve this is by creating a for loop from a variable I, which is going to be equal to the last character first. So the index of that is equal to length minus 1. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to loop until this is equal to 0. So which is nothing but I'm going to loop until it's going to be equal to A. Finally, I'm going to keep decrementing it. Hope you can see that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to capture each and every variable as it loops on through. So this is going to be called a variable current character. Is equal to input dot char@. I. So this variable here is going to capture the current character as each loop proceeds. Finally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to append this current character to our output variable to store it and print it at the end. Finally, I'm going to print it. Document.write output. Now I'm going to save that and I'm going to run this. As you see, we have a reversed string.